This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Open the bonnet by pulling the lever in the driver's footwell and releasing the underbonnet catch. Remove the prop from the storage clip and position it to support the bonnet. Lift up the tab to disengage the upper inlet air duct from the air cleaner housing. Lift the inlet air duct upwards to disengage the lower mounting peg from the grommet and remove the duct from the engine compartment. Release the two retaining clips and separate the air filter element housing from the air cleaner. Lift the old air filter element out of the housing, noting which way round it is fitted. Wipe the inside of the air cleaner filter housing and air cleaner case with a clean cloth or brush to remove all traces of dirt and debris. Install the new filter element in the housing. Refit the housing and secure it in position with the two retaining clips. Refit the upper air inlet duct. Close the bonnet, ensuring that the catches are fastened securely.